Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can share your Wi-Fi easily at the Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, that means that your friend or visitor don't have to go directly to the Wi-Fi box and check out these codes and so on. No, you can give your Wi-Fi directly from the phone to your friend or visitor. Okay, let me show you how this works. So first of all, we will need the settings for. So just go here on the second page, and usually at the top here, at the first point, you will see the settings app. Maybe you've organized your phone already, so look out for this settings app. So tap on settings. Then we will need here the Wi-Fi. So tap on Wi-Fi. And the one here, which one is marked blue, is the Wi-Fi you are actually logged in. So just tap on the Wi-Fi you're actually logged in, so on the blue one, and you will have this QR code here. So very simple. And now your friend or visitor have to just scan this code, maybe with a camera or with an extra QR code scanner. So you hold this phone on the code, and the QR code scanner is recognizing it. You go on to connect to a network, and your friend is connected to the network. So it is a Samsung phone here I've used. You can do it also with other phones, Xiaomi, Oppo, and so on. So it works. Your friend don't need to have the same phone like you. So it works very nice. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.